There's nothing really better than just being out in the woods and listening to the birds and the smells of nature and chilling with your best friend. I found my best friend out here one day. Oh, here, I'll introduce you to him. How you doing? We all need to be our own best friend. We really do. So, get out there and live life. It's actually all we actually really have. And we don't take it with us when we go. So take advantage of it while you're still here. And enjoy your life. And who knows? Until next time, subscribe, hit those notification buttons for me there, and